Hello guys, my name is Harry and this is my review. On the previous video, I made a documentary or a review on how my motorcycle clutch cable was broken. Luckily, on the way, I found a mechanic and here is helping me.
Yeah. I am good now.
So this is my mechanic who is helping me. Now he's trying to remove the clutch cable from the motorcycle. It was kind of difficult to ride a motorcycle without a clutch cable due to the fact that I could damage the motorcycle gearbox. It took me about 2 kilometers to reach a place or where there is a little shop where I got a clutch cable. This is a local shop. And here, this guy is trying to fix it for me. While he's doing his stuffs to remove the clutch cable from the gearbox supporting lever, I will be doing a little review of the new clutch cable. So, this is the new clutch cable which I bought. The price for this one is about 1.5 USDs. On the other side, it's written some words. Let us see. 3W and 6V, 6 genuine parts. Here, there is this QR code. Once I scan this one, I can get more information about this cable. So from here, I will leave all the stuff from the mechanic so that I can do his stuffs. He is trying to align to see the original distance and the new cable if they are on the same length. He knows what to do. And now he's trying to unbox. Shokali. So this is the cable. And the new cable is made from China, but I hope it will work for me. So from this side, you can see the cable is protruding. This is the new cable. I don't know why the cable got snapped, but something which I'm sure, this cable has been on this motorcycle for so long time. Since I bought this motorcycle for about 10 months ago, it never had this problem before. So I think it was the time for this cable to die. The reality or the truth about a motorcycle or vehicle parts, once they want to break down, they give no information. They just break down. From the mechanic perspectives, let us see on how he's trying to fix. From the handle, he's trying to remove or he's trying to fix to make sure that it fits well. So now, he's fixing the cable from the position. This guy is so fast, I couldn't even imagine if it could take this fast. He has the tool, like this pliers, he was trying to use. This is the price. And now everything is in place. From the cable, let us see how it looks from the side of the gearbox lever selector or assist.
What's up, media? Mtoto mkubali, mtoto
I know it may take time,
Stopisha kidogo.
but things will be okay. It took some time to fix this cable, but from the time, it looks, I think, about 9 minutes, something like that, to fix the cable. From the handle perspectives, it is well fixed, and it looks in place. But from the gearbox perspectives, it looks nice. As you can see, it's working. And now, gears are engaging as it's supposed to be. I said thanks to the mechanic, paid him some money, and I had to leave. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.